Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wanting to check out someone's story on Telegram without actually popping up in their viewer list, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to view Telegram stories anonymously, using stealth mode, a nifty feature that ensures your privacy while letting you stay in the loop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be totally confident in watching stories without anyone knowing it was you. Let's dive right in. First off, stealth mode is the official and most reliable way to go about this, and currently it's only available with Telegram Premium. So if you've upgraded, you've got access to this powerful privacy tool built right into the app. Think of stealth mode like the invisibility cloak from Harry Potter. Once you activate it, you're browsing under the radar. Here, how to activate stealth mode. If you're on your chat list and you see someone's story preview up at the top, simply press and hold on that story's preview. You'll notice an option that pops up labeled View Anonymously. Go ahead and select that. What's happening here is Telegram is stepping in to make sure your view doesn't show up in the story creators list. So that's a quick and direct way to jump straight into stealth viewing. You can also enable stealth mode while you're already inside a story. Maybe you clicked in before remembering you want to be anonymous. Don't worry, you can still activate it. Just look for the three dots or the menu icon in that top right corner of the story. Tap those and you'll see an option for Hide My View, or sometimes it's called stealth mode. Select that and you're all set. It's like flipping a switch. Now, as you watch, your username won't show up as a viewer on that story. It's super important to keep a few things in mind about stealth mode. When you turn it on, Telegram actually erases your views from any stories you opened in the past 5 minutes. So if you were browsing a few moments ago without stealth, this feature basically rewinds time and wipes your trail. Pretty clever, and once stealth mode is active, it'll keep your viewing activity invisible for the next 25 minutes. Think of it as a private window. For nearly half an hour, you can browse stories and your tracks won't show up. Now here's a crucial tip. While in stealth mode, make sure you don't interact with the story at all. Don't react, and definitely don't reply. The moment you interact, Telegram considers that genuine engagement and will put your username in the creator's viewer list, even if you're in stealth mode. So resist those quick taps, just watch and your presence stays undetected. If you're someone who values a little extra privacy, maybe you're a group admin, or just want to see how others are using stories without announcing yourself, stealth mode is seriously handy. It takes a second to activate, but could save you a lot of awkwardness later on. Well, that's it. Now you know exactly how to watch Telegram stories anonymously. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know your thoughts or questions in the comment section below. And if you want more easy tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.